What's up everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a voiceover for this VCELink UL listed screwless wall plate cover. I am now taking off the old plate there. As you can see, it's old, dirty, and dingy, and showing you the new one inside the plastic wrap that's about to come out. As you can see, the front of this plate does not contain any screws, which is really cool if you like a really clean and cool look, as you see there, right? This screwless outlet cover is 4.58 inches by 2.78 inches and is a mid-sized decorator wall plate. It comes in a 10-pack. This is super simple to install. It took me less than 2 minutes. As you can see here, the video is 1 minute and 7 seconds. It doesn't really give it that much justice, but again, really clean, and it's something to have a look at there, especially if you want to take it off and wash it, especially if it gets dirty, like you have kids' dirty hands.